Echo?
You know her?
She was in the cage next to mine.
I let it fall, my heart, and does it fail?
Bellamy!
You
Let her
rose
go.
to claim it. It was
She saved my
dark,
life.
and I was
can trust
over until you kissed my lips and you
Someone's in
saved
trouble.
How did you
me.
come by this information?
Who the hell was
My
that?
hands,
High planet is very dangerous, very low.
but my knees
Those are the people who saved her life.
I told her I'd come back for you.
stand in your
We got
arms.
you right. War makes murderers of us all.
Into your feet.
You slaughter us, we slaughter you.
But there's a side
We're there.
to
War
you.
made me murderer.
Never knew all the things
Loyalty
you say
is your weakness.
Back off. You think we'll ever be able to trust each other again?
I doubt it. Bellamy, I know how you feel about me, but you can't lose control.
Wants to build trust.
Remember, I saved your life. We found each other in a cage. I know we'll find each other again.
If Echo leaves, I am going with her.
I should have known you two couldn't stay away.
Shepherd.
Spy stabbed her boyfriend's sister.
I betrayed you.
I had an experience. Something that changed me.
This isn't you.
What is it about Bellamy that has otherwise sensible women willing to die for him?
Think you could be loyal to us. Right behind you.
Echo!
Bellamy! I'll be right behind you. Like that. Bellamy, this isn't real.
My people, that is what is real.
Told me again how it's better not to love.
Killing things. This is me being human.
Love is not the problem. It's how you love things.
Find me angry. Did that.
My name's Ash. Who the hell are you?
I need love.
Echo was a coward. I never told Bellamy either. Not a coward. Human. Is it more important than us?
Yes.
It's Bellamy.
Wouldn't it be easier just to go outside?
Isn't starting over without forgiveness? What are we gonna be now, Bellamy?
We are team.
You know what you miss. I won't miss. He's not good at us.
Let me come with you. That's the reason we'll get back to the ground.
I wanted him to see me as this person I've become. Pity me for who I was, what I went through. What do we do now?
Tell her when.
You did. I wouldn't have stayed with you that long if you couldn't see the real you.